Speaker, over the past 2 months, we've all been shocked to see the coronavirus pandemic sweep through India at an alarming pace. This beautiful country, rich in history and tradition, has faced unthinkable heartbreak. Hospitals are overflowing, ventilators are in short supply. Makeshift crematoriums line the streets as families are left with the impossible task of saying goodbye to their loved ones by the side of the road. A new death is reported every 4 minutes, and yesterday there were 412,000 new cases. Speaker, the situation is nothing short of devastating. These are mothers, fathers, sons and daughters, many with loved ones right here in Victoria. Those Victorians and the Indian community more broadly have watched on in despair. But as we've come to expect, this proud and strong community is rallying behind one another, doing whatever they can to help in the relief effort. Whether it's coming together in prayer or raising money, we've been reminded once again that the Indian community here in Victoria embody the very best values of our state. But Speaker, the situation in India right now is so dire that we must do more than just send platitudes or our thoughts. We must step up and provide real, tangible support. That's why our government will send 1,000 ICU ventilators to help the relief effort, along with a range of support equipment like connectors and humidifiers. In total, Speaker, this package is worth $41 million. This support will help hospitals on the ground, aiding the incredible work of the doctors, nurses and medical staff in India. I want to take this opportunity to commend the Minister for Multicultural Affairs and Ms Vagala and the other place for their advocacy on this issue. They have once again proudly represented the Indian diaspora here in Victoria. And while, Speaker, this is a donation on behalf of all Victorians, in particular, it is a donation made on behalf of our Indian community. You have contributed so much to our state. This is just one small expression of our shared solidarity. On behalf of our Parliament and our state, we extend our heartfelt condolences.